Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I want to talk about two ticker symbols. The first one is ticker symbol IMPP and the next one is ticker symbol HUSA. Both of these stock did really good, and we are so happy because we were so early this morning. When we did the morning briefing, IMPP, we had an entry of 1.58. It came to 1.51, then boom, suddenly I will talk about the price action, almost 40% up from that particular entry. Also, HUSA, once IMPP was going up, I was alerting, have a look at HUSA, and you can see from 6.15 it moved all the way to 7.35, almost 20% gain. We also had few others, so overall a very good day and so happy. So anyway, IMPP moves 37%. You can see that whole day it moved sideways and suddenly it popped up. Same thing, it was moving sideways and a nice pop up. So I'm going to talk about the price action, the support, resistance, and the game plan for tomorrow. And if you find this particular video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. At the same time, if you want to join my community, please use the link for the Patreon in the first comment and also in the description box to get access to my Discord, where normally in the morning what I do, I give you a plan for the entire day, different ticker symbol, entry, exit, profit target with some note. And you can see we made a lot of money today. We made a lot of money, not today, almost every day. So anyway, give a try. So we know what is happening. The oil price is going up, and a recent report came, I think today 321, that the price could be 150 per barrel, is not outside the realm of possibility. I think the current price is right around 126 something, but this is not nothing impossible, and all the energy sectors are going higher. Now a few things are happening because IMPP, it was trading right on a higher. Let me show you. Okay, so IMPP, we know it was trading around $2.4, and if you look at the chart, we were so early on IMPP. I think we started talking about it when it was around $2. It went all the way to $9.6, then came down, and we were constantly like day trading on this particular one. But the problem started at that point because it was right around 2.4. They did a share offering for 1.6 per share. The price came down all the way to 1.4, then it held the support and moving sideways. So we did some trading yesterday and again today, because we know this is not the place it should be sitting at, because 1.6 was the offering price and the offer will be closed. So we were just waiting for this one, right? And the news came, they closed it. So the plan, how we started in the morning, because we always know there is a gap, because due to share offering it dropped a lot. So we always had a plan. So in the morning we said about, okay, look for 1.6 something. So it went up, came down, it was up and down. And what happened end of the day, suddenly lots of volume came, it broke through 1.6 and then it started going higher. So when you look at the previous area, so we were looking around 1.86, that thing is coming from here. So 1.86 was our initial resistance. So you can see it went to 1.86, came down, and again a big push, broke 2.2, went over $2, came down, and again made $2 as a nice support, which is looking really nice. If you see the gap was basically, it came from 2.28 all the way to 1.4. So still we have some room to grow, but in terms of charting it is looking really nice. So if you're planning to enter, maybe $2 is one important area, because you can see that 2 was a support today, right? I'm going to open the extended hour, just want to show you how things are moving. So from here it went all the way to 2.28. the thing I said about gap, you see the gap, I previously marked this as gap. So it gapped, fill, and came down. So it might come back to $2, which would be a nice entry. If not 2, maybe it can come back all the way around $1.8. Then you can enter again, rinse and repeat, you can make some money. So it has a short interest of 32%. The off exchange short interest is 46%. Currently there is only 0.5 million shares available to short, looking really nice. So that's IMPP. You can see all the volume came suddenly end of the day. But in terms of the daily volume, still we are right around 112 million volume. If we get more volume, like more than 200 volume, it might run a lot. So keep that in mind. If it gets more volume, it will run. The chart is looking nice. The gap has filled, so we made a lot of money on this particular one. And when IMPP was running, I was also having a look on HUSA. Even though in the morning we started, we had a plan for this one, HUSA 6.15 or 6.4 breakout. So what happened? It just broke the 6.4, went up, came down, but it held our 6.15, the entry number two. It held all day, went up and down, up and down. Then when I see in IMPP is running, I was just having a look, and I'm so glad it picked up from 6.2. It went all the way to 7.4. In terms of the percent gain, you can see almost 20% move, a big move. So looking really nice. In terms of the short interest, it's 9%, not a lot of things, but the short share availability only 15,000. In terms of the volume, same thing, the volume came end of the day. So if you look at the previous times, it has some volume around 100, 150 million, even like 100, close to 200 million volumes. Today's volume was not that much. It was moving on a low volume. You can see that the volume at the bottom is the low volume compared to IMPP, lots of volume. So in case more volume comes, then HUSA, this thing can move a lot. Now let's have a look on the overall thing. Look at the chart. I'm going to hide all the lines here. So it came down, up and down, up and down. And if you say about a downtrend, you can always do something like this, right? Downtrend, and today it broke the downtrend. But more interestingly, what I see here, this particular area, which is around right 0.72, after that, it has some more room to grow. From 7.2, it can go to $8, $9. We know how fast it can move. I think the last time we played, we were at $5, $6, then it went to $16, $17. I have been making videos on this, and we are always looking at those over our Discord. If you want to get this kind of early alert with support, resistance, and trade plan with entry exit, then please join my Discord. Just $9 per month, and hopefully we'll make more than that. You can see the result each and every day. We are being consistent. So anyway, this is ticker symbol HUSA. The other one is CEI. We played this pre-market. You can see that today how we started. Just want to give you a sense that this is another play. If you want, you can also play this. So in the morning it was holding 0.9, and then we keep an eye, and point from 0.9 it went all the way to 1.04, 10%, not bad. But again, keep an eye on this one. And the other one, people also talk about ticker symbol INDO. This is one other thing. From $5 it went to $100, almost 100 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, $87, right? Came down. So moving sideways is still not showing a lot of strength, but this is still lagging. So if more volume comes, this thing will be fun to watch. So anyway, this particular video is mostly on IMPP and ticker symbol HUSA, but I also wanted to show you the chart for CEI and ticker symbol INDO. So anyway, let me know if you made some money with this particular stock today. Like the video, subscribe my channel, and again, if you want, you can always join my community. Just $9 per month. Give a try. I bet you will make more than $9 in one day. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.